Svydovets is a very special place with heavy rains, with high risks of avalanches, and that's why floods occur there. Actually, there are several aspects of water problem there. The first one is that the region is water deficient and local people usually do not have even enough drinking water. It will be necessary for them to use a lot of artificial snow. But where to take water resource for this artificial snow? Another aspect is they will produce up to 8,000 cubic meters of sewage waters. Such amount will change water chemistry of Tisa. And Tisa is an international river, it doesn't belong to Ukraine solely. Changing environment, clear-cutting forests will definitely affect not only Svydovets massive, but the whole region.